Kid here today with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Union Safe Company safe. So this safe is actually pretty awesome. It is so I got it. It was only about $40. Now it can only be purchased at Harbor Freight, but it's 0.37 cubic feet. But it's their smallest. It's their smallest safe, but it's pretty cool. So let's start from the so I'm just going to do a quick review and quick manual on how to do this. So if we lock it up, okay, take out this thing. So if you start it off and it has no batteries, right, and you don't know the key, as soon as you open it up, just take the keys, put it right here. You got to make sure it's really there. And you just turn the knob, you open it up. Obviously it doesn't come with this, that takes a while. So you go here, this is where the batteries, you put your AA batteries right in there. Okay, and then there's a little button right here. This one's the hardest part. You just press the button, it makes a little beep, then you can put in your key, and my key is going to be so it can be up to 8 digits, so I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's see if it works. Just making sure the key is not in the safe. You close the safe and you just put in. And voila. So within, if you do 3 tries and it doesn't work, then it's 20 seconds without operation. And if you do it again, within 20 seconds, then it locks you up for 5 minutes. I know from experience. If you guys were wondering what this is, I'm not allowed to let you know, so just let the suspicion stand there. Got some Soviet badges in here. Obviously, I don't like communism. I'm a silver stacker. And if you do like communism in your silver stacker, then just look at some socialist countries. And I know what y'all are going to say, what are you doing with fiat? But, you know, you need fiat in order, you need it. You need some of that long green in order to get all your stuff good. But yeah, this thing is very good. You can put a few tubes in here. Obviously, I don't have any tubes. Not very big. I have my copper pennies there. Fractionals. Oh yeah, I made my first poured stuff. If you look in there, I just made little poured grams. Pretty cool. Made it with a little torch that I'm going to do a review on soon that I got from Harbor Freight. Love the store. So yeah, got some pretty cool stuff. But thank y'all for watching, and hope y'all enjoy the video. I'll see y'all next time. And I do recommend this safe. Remember, Union Safe Company at Harbor Freight. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found this little tutorial useful. Check out some of my other videos all about stacking silver and stacking wealth and building wealth. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time, and goodbye.